Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we are going to... Wait, where's our box?
Wait, we don't have a box. Wait, Mom, what box are we doing today? Wait, what? Someone's at the door. Hang on, guys.
Guys, we got like boxes from a subscriber.
I
What's
think
his
it's
name?
from a subscriber. Here it says, from Jim and Barb from Painesville, Minnesota to the Open Box Brothers. Both the same people sent both these boxes. And on here there's a special request to do this box first. So, I'm really excited. I don't think we've ever got subscriber mail before. So,
Yeah, this
make
is
sure
our
you guys
first
slap
time.
that like button. Because
And if you
this should
guys
be
want to send us subscriber mail, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on those notifications.
you want to read that?
Okay, I will be reading this today.
No way. Is this the famous bubble wrap?
It says regional foods from the upper Midwest. It's crapola granola.
Cranberry apple granola. Original. Makes even weird people regular. So, well, I just open it
Can
up.
you just grab a handful?
Let's try some. Mmm.
On the back it said, introducing your new favorite breakfast cereal. I might actually have that for breakfast, I don't know.
It's good. That's what it looks like. That was our first snack. It's not like dry or anything. It's actually really good. Might be good with some milk. So, move on to our next snack.
On to our next snack. What is that? Ooh, dill pickle.
We got Pretzel Cravings Dill Pickle Homestyle Gourmet Pretzels.
And I really like pickles,
Those are
and
his
I like
favorite.
the dill pickles.
Oh my
So
god,
it says-
smell that.
Oh my gosh. Pretzels from North Dakota.
So these are from North Dakota. So let's try these.
After I smell that. Whew.
They smell like pickles. 3, 2, 1.
This is so good. For those of you who don't like pickles, you're probably not going to like this, but
It tastes like those pretzel things. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but seasoned pretzel things. They taste just like this. That's really good, actually.
yeah.
Great snack for any occasion.
Okay, on to our
Next snack. It almost looks like a deck of cards.
That's what I was going to say.
Cena ginger candy, foil wrapped.
It says ginger candy for your stomach.
Alright, so here we got our Cena ginger candy. We're gonna open up.
Okay.
It's in like a raisin box and a deck of cards. It looks like a deck of cards, of course.
There's a package
They're in
inside.
individual packaging. It's kind of like Laffy Taffy, is what it looks like.
Yeah, this is like,
It literally is like.
it's like melting. I can't even get it out.
So, it's actually not that bad.
I do not like that. I'm never trying that again. Oh, it's spicy.
No, it's not. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah, it is. Well, it's like pure ginger. Some snacks I regret eating on this channel.
Yeah.
Next, Red Rock Deli Red Curry Coconut. I'm excited because these look really good. And they have a lot of peppers on them, so they're probably spicy.
As you guys should probably know, I'm a sour kind of
Oh.
person.
Nah, that smells so disgusting.
It doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like potato chips with a little bit of salt.
Well, yeah, they have a weird first taste.
They literally just taste like potato chips with a little bit of pepper.
These aren't bad.
Okay.
Just red hot curry and bold.
Okay. So, that's the end of our first box. But
Nope.
we are not done.
There's one more thing.
Oh, wait.
So here seems to be a little item we almost skipped. 100% pure free-range chicken poop lip balm.
Chicken poop lip balm from Pennsylvania Fleet Supply. So, it's
Oh my-
chicken poop lip balm.
Oh, that doesn't smell bad. It smells like Vaseline.
That smells like cologne, actually.
No, it doesn't. What kind of cologne do you wear? Oh. Nate's gonna go first. That's not how you put chapstick on. What?
I'm
Lick
sorry.
it. What does it taste like?
Doesn't taste like anything. Tastes like chapstick.
Tastes like grass.
Okay, guys, that was our first box, but we still have one more box for you. Because as you saw before, there were 2 boxes, but we decided to do the long one first. It's time for our next box. Thank you, editor, for our next box. What the?
Oh, I thought that was. So this looks like a not food or something. Okay, definitely something that's heavy. My gosh.
I think we might have to unwrap it. We've
What-
never got anything like this.
What is this kind of wrapping? What? Oh wait, hang on. You can't even see it anyways.
Really? That's great. There's more stuff. More
Yeah,
wrapping.
yeah.
Looks like a jar.
Something in a jar.
Yeah, so the bubble
my
wraps
goodness.
around it.
How many times do they need to wrap this thing?
How much?
Wait, let's read it before we reveal what it is. The world needs to know how you feel about this product. Don't let the world down.
Oh no, it's some kind of drink.
Leave a review.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Butch's pickled fish.
No.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys won't be able to see that on camera. Oh wait, yeah, you might be able to. I don't know if you can see, there's like whole fish right there.
We gotta go in it with our gas masks.
Oh!
Oh,
Really?
great. Oh. I get the first try.
Wait. Oh, I just touched my nails.
I get the first try.
Wait. Okay. Okay, never mind. It doesn't smell that bad. Wait. It smells like applesauce. Not even lying.
Yeah, it actually smells like applesauce. Let's get this video at least to 10 likes. 10 likes. That's all I want right now. For us to try this thing. What is it? Is that onion?
Yes.
Oh, great.
Now
The
they
one
use
thing
onion.
I hate.
It's gonna offset the nasty taste of this fish. What kind of fish is this? I'm going in.
Should've got
So mushy.
You should have got some onion in there, dude.
That is disgusting.
I need to get some onion. Oh, hooray.
Thanks a lot, Jim and Barb.
No, wait, I just dropped my onion.
It's so sour. Oh my goodness. It's not bad taste, it's just mushy and sour.
I'm gonna throw up.
I hear the crunch. Ugh. Jim and Barb, how about some like sweet tarts next time, maybe just to like offset the pickles and fish.
And onion.
Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video because we definitely did. Despite the pickled fish, we're satisfied with what we got. We're thankful for Jim and Barb sending us that box, or 2 boxes, and if you guys want to send us more, please do. It was really fun. Hope our subscribers enjoy.
But before we go, I've got a question for both of us. Which one was your least favorite, your favorite, and which one's the weirdest? Okay.
So,
we can both agree that this one was our least favorite.
yeah, weirdest, that poop chapstick, whatever that was.
I think the weirdest was the pickled pretzels. And my most favorite,
Disgusting.
the most
Anyways.
favorite is probably
Mega
these
granola.
things.
But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment down below how nasty that looked with the good chunks of fish.
Like I said before, at least get us to 10 likes on this video. Because
10 likes,
for this
24 hours.
being disgusting. For this being disgusting.
The more likes we get, the bigger it's going to grow, the more subscribers we're going to get. As soon as we hit that 100, we got a big challenge or box. It's a mystery to you guys. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's something completely different. But we'll let you guys know, and we'll see you next time on our next video.
Bye. Okay,
Did
now
we
I'm
just
gonna
throw
eat.
this out?